Air intake, feeding the beast. The air intake system ensures a smooth and consistent flow of air into the engine. This typically involves a carefully shaped intake duct that funnels air towards the compressor. Cut and shape the metal tubing according to your design, making sure it aligns perfectly with the compressor inlet. Fuel and ignition. Lighting the fire within. The fuel system delivers a precise amount of fuel to the combustion chamber, while the ignition system provides the spark to ignite the fuel-air mixture. Carefully position and the spark plug, ensuring they are securely mounted and properly aligned within the combustion chamber. Wire the ignition system according to your chosen setup. Testing, 1, 2, 3, liftoff, safe testing procedures. With your mini jet engine assembled, it's time for the moment of truth testing. However, safety should be your utmost priority. Always wear your safety gear and conduct your tests in a well-ventilated area, preferably outdoors. Start with low-power tests, gradually increasing the fuel flow and observing the engine's performance. Look for any signs of leaks, vibrations, or abnormal noises. If everything checks out, you can gradually increase the power and enjoy the thrill of your very own mini jet engine roaring to life. Troubleshooting your mini jet engine. Smooth out the rough edges. Even with meticulous construction, you might encounter some hiccups during testing. Here are a few common issues and troubleshooting tips. Engine won't start. Check the ignition system, fuel flow, and ensure the spark plug is sparking. Rough running or loss of power. Look for air leaks in the system, particularly around the combustion chamber and intake. Overheating. Ensure proper airflow and that the fuel-air mixture is correct. Excessive vibration. Check for loose components or imbalances in the rotating parts. Remember, patience and persistence are key. Don't get discouraged if you encounter setbacks. With careful observation and a bit of tinkering, you'll be able to identify and rectify any issues.